Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the mouse is stuttering or lagging only when using Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Look at it carefully. Close Word, press the Windows key and the R key together, type win word.exe space forward slash save, hit enter. This will open Windows Word in Microsoft Word in the safe mode. Click on File, select Options, go to Add-ins, select COM add-ins from this drop-down menu. Click on Go. Check any available add-in. Click on Remove. Once this list is empty, click on OK. Close this. Search for Word and then open Word in the normal manner. It will start working. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.